Hello, uh, today I am at another campsite. It's very beautiful. You can see that they have a lot of campsites. It's very good campsite. They have hot and cold water, and I just took a very good steam bath. They have a swimming pool as well. If you like to swim, you can, but it's winter here. And this place is not far from Maun town, and from the main road it is almost 1.9 kilometer. This gentleman is going to switch on all the lights because it is getting dark here, and this is the place that where I'm camping, and I'm trying to braai. Let me show you. I'm not sure how far it is, but I'm trying to braai a leg, and along with that I'm making some tea. This place is full of birds and very friendly birds. They are very friendly. This is a swimming pool area. This is the reception. If you do not have 4x4, you can hire 4x4 for a game. There are some more camps, and this is a track. Early morning I will try to walk on this.